Samsung Galaxy's A56 is expected to bring exciting upgrades to the mid-range smartphone market. According to early leaks, this phone will feature improved wireless connectivity, including Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 6E, making it a standout device in its class. With the A56, Samsung aims to provide users with a smartphone with reliable connectivity, long-lasting power, and fast performance at an affordable price. The Galaxy A56 has been indexed in the Bluetooth SIG database under the code SM A566B_DS, where it was tested with Bluetooth version 5.4. This is an upgrade from the Galaxy A55, which uses Bluetooth 5.3. The new version offers better efficiency and improved connectivity with Galaxy accessories like smart tags and smartwatches. The Galaxy A56 is also expected to feature the Exynos 1580 chip, which integrates both Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4. This chip will enhance the phone's performance to a flagship level, providing better energy efficiency for the CPU and GPU. Additionally, the A56 will support 45-watt fast charging, a first for a Galaxy mid-range phone. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E in the Galaxy A56 is another significant upgrade. Wi-Fi 6E offers faster speeds and better performance in crowded areas, making it ideal for users who need reliable internet connectivity. These upgrades ensure that the Galaxy A56 will provide a seamless and efficient user experience.